Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can actually edit the images on your Microsoft Word document. So in the past few videos, I showed you different ways how you can add images to your document. But once it's on there, you may be looking at your image and you're like, man, this thing is huge. It's taking up half a page. So it's really easy to be able to edit the image size. So all you have to do is go ahead and select the image. Left click it. And once you click it, you're going to see some options appear that are very similar to other Microsoft applications and even applications outside of the Microsoft ecosystem. So you're going to have these little handles on each side of the document in the top left, the middle, the bottom, all over the place. And we also have this one, which allows us to rotate the image. So if I hold left click and I just drag it around, I can go ahead and rotate the image. And these other ones, though, actually allow us to modify the size of the image. But let me show you what happens when we try to compress it from the vertical, or making a vertical size change. If we just go ahead and hold it down, you're going to see it's starting to skew the image. It doesn't keep the aspect ratio. So if you want to keep the aspect ratio, really the easiest way to resize it is just to come up here in one of the corners and then just same thing. You can kind of resize it either bigger or smaller. But then when you do it this way, you see that it actually maintains the aspect ratio. It shrinks the width at the same time while it's shrinking the height. And another way that you can actually change the aspect ratio of your image is if you go ahead and keep your image selected, come up here to picture format and come over here to size. You can actually just change the image right here as well. So if you don't want to have to manually do it, maybe you know exactly how big you want your image to be, you could just go ahead and put in the numbers here and then you can actually select the size that way. So that's some of the, I guess, the quickest way where you can actually edit the size of your image on Microsoft Word.